Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to unlock every robot in Geometry Dash. So I'll start with the first step, which is to check the icon kit. So open the icon kit and select the robot tab. So here you can see all the available robots. Locked ones appear grayed out with requirements shown. So next step is visit secret rooms. So many robots are hidden in the treasure room and vault areas. So you just have to enter the secret codes or solve puzzles to unlock exclusive icons rather. Next step is complete achievements. So check the achievements menu. So there are many robots are unlocked by reaching star milestones, completing demons, or collecting user coins. Next up is beat map packs. So complete map packs to unlock the exclusive robot rewards. So each pack contains multiple levels that must be beaten to claim the prize. And lastly is collect all the robots. So keep playing and completing challenges to unlock your entire robot collection. So each robot has a unique animation and style. So just a pro tip, some robots can only be obtained during special events. So keep an eye on that. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!